Hey guys, welcome to the next section of the course. This one is all about cards and points. So we're going to talk about what the different types of points are and how do you identify which ones you want, because there's some points that are good for international, some that are good for domestic, some that you should use when airfare prices are high, some when low. So we're going to help you decide which type of points you should go for based on your travel plans, and also be able to make good judgments about, based on the points that you do have, which ones you should use. So some obviously you want to use as soon as you have a good opportunity to. Others are super valuable and you want to hang on to. So we're going to get into all the detail about that. Then we're going to talk about earning points, and more specifically about the different credit card products that are out there and the offers, the sign-up bonuses that come with those. Because the banks have some really specific rules about whether you're eligible for a card and also whether you're going to get approved based on when the last time you applied and some of those factors. So we're going to break down and give you the information so that you can decide which offers you're eligible for, and then also which ones are a good idea based on where you want to travel and your spending and your current points portfolio. So we're going to get into all of that. See you on the other side.